Hi guys, Mrs. Ogus here. I just wanted to show you what to expect. If you're an A student, you are coming to me on Thursday, and if you're a B student, you come see me on Friday for your final day this week of school before Christmas break. So you're going to go into the second 9 weeks. Doesn't matter what class period you're in. My example is showing second period, but it could be any class period that you have me, and you'll click on the week of this week, the 14th through the 18th. And if you're an A student, you're going to see a Thursday folder, and B students, you're going to see a Friday folder. So I'm going to click on this Thursday folder, and I'm going to see 3 steps here. So the first step says to turn in 1 paragraph to be graded. And so here you want to submit a final piece to be turned in for a major grade. So as a writer, you're selecting your best body paragraph, and you're going to submit it here into Schoology, something that is readable to me so that I can grade it with the rubric you see here on your screen. You can submit that from your draft or from your typed piece by noting that you want me to grade this specific paragraph 2 or paragraph 3 or whichever one it is. That says you can circle or highlight, put a box around, whichever one you're choosing. So that's step 1. Step 2 would be your celebration of writing. So before you turn in that 1 paragraph, you do need to finish writing your entire piece and turning that draft into December 11th or 14th. If you're an A student, it's December 11th. If you're a B student, it's December 14th under continue drafting. But anyway, step 2 is your celebration. So what you will do in the discussion is choose 1 sentence from your memoir and type it into the discussion below. You're going to put quotation marks around it because you are quoting something from your paper. So even if someone didn't say it out loud, you're still copying it from your paper. So you put quotation marks around it like I did here. And this is your most powerful or meaningful sentence that really shows the essence of your writing. Underneath your quote, you're going to write, I chose this sentence because, and then finish that out. Or I chose this line because, however that makes sense to you. And then I said it really provides the reader with how deeply sad our family was at the loss of this dog. We had never had a dog quite like him, and we never had one like him since then. He was the one dog that has special place in all our hearts. So under the quote, you're going to write an explanation, which explains why you chose the quote. It should look like this, the part that I have in red. That's what yours should look like. Something you copied from your paper, and an I chose this sentence because explanation. After you post that, it says after everyone has posted, you will give 1 glow comment for 2 different students. You have to use one of the stems. So you pick any other 2 students besides yourself, and you write an answer. I enjoyed your writing because blah, blah, blah. Or I think your example was, or I could connect with the part where you said you lost a dog because I lost one too, or something like that. So pick any one of these stems and comment on 2 different classmates for your celebration of writing. This is going to be graded for the grade book, so make sure you're submitting that. And then your final step, that was step 2. Step 3 would be to finish typing your final copy in Google Docs and submitting it here in step 3. I moved it over from Tuesday and Wednesday, so if you already submitted it, it should still be here in the submissions. So you're typing that in Google Docs, and you can see that video on how to do that if you need some guidance or help on that. So to clarify again, step 1, turn in the 1 paragraph that's your best work. It shows your best work. Step 2, your celebration of writing. And then step 3, type your final copy in Google Docs and submit it into step 3. And that's what you will be doing today.